Hello, grammar lovers. We are here today to go over DGP week 26. I have the answer key open on my screen for you to view as we go through and talk about it. It is also available on the linked on the weekly slideshow as well as on the post in Google Classroom for week DGP. So for Monday, my is a possessive pronoun. Sorry, right here, this is a typo. It should say that, oh, now it messed everything up, of course. It should say that family is a common noun. Went is an action verb. On is a preposition. A is an article. A, and the are the only articles. Camping may look like a verb, but it is not. It is a participle. Participles are words that look like verbs, but are actually acting as adjectives. In this case, it's describing the word trip, which is a common noun. And that's what adjectives do. They describe common nouns. Near is a preposition. The is, again, another article. I left a comment saying redwood forest even though it's two words, should get one label. It is a proper noun as it is a specific place. But is a coordinating conjunction. My is, again, a possessive pronoun. Sorry, I missed a label here. Sister is a common noun. Hates is an action verb, and camping is actually a gerund. I know earlier in the sentence, camping was a participle, but gerund is a word that, again, looks like a verb, but now is acting as a direct object. Hopefully you caught that on Tuesday, okay? It's acting as a direct object. It answers the question subject, verb, what? So moving on to Tuesday, we have our two separate ideas or clauses. The first clause is, my family went on a camping trip near the redwood forest. Family is a simple subject. My family is a complete subject. Went is the verb. Went on a camping trip near the redwood forest is the complete predicate. On a camping trip is our first prepositional phrase, trip being the object, near the redwood forest being our second prepositional phrase, redwood forest being both of those words being the object. My sister hates camping is our second clause. Sister being the simple subject, my sister being the complete subject. Hates is the verb, which means hates camping is the complete predicate. And again, camping is the direct object. It looks like a verb, but it's acting as the direct objects because it answers the question subject, verb, what. Sister hates what? Camping. First clause, we already found. You can see it in brackets. Second clause, same. They are both independent clauses, which means it's a compound sentence type. Its purpose is declarative. There are 5 errors. M, in my, the first letter in the sentence needs to be capitalized. The R in redwood and the F in forest need to be capitalized as it is a proper noun, specific place. There needs to be a comma after forest as it before the coordinating conjunction, but as it is connecting the two independent clauses. And then we have a period at the end of the sentence as it is a declarative sentence. The trickiest thing I would think for this week would be the diagram. Again, we have 2 clauses, so we have 2 diagram structures. Subject, verb in the first diagram structure is family went. Slanty lines are describers, what family, my family. Then these brackets show that we have 2 prepositional phrases. On trip, again, slanty lines, what trip? A camping trip. Again, camping is that participle, looks like a verb, but it's not. It's describing a noun, in this case, the object of the phrase. So what trip? A camping trip. Second, prepositional phrase, near object, redwood forest, describing line, what redwood forest? The redwood forest. Dotted lines or connectors are coordinating conjunction, but goes here, which connects us to our second clause, my sister hates camping. Subject, sister, verb, hate, sister hates what? Camping, since it's a gerund, that word that looks like a verb but is acting as a direct object goes on that tent. And what sister? My sister goes on the describing line.